Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Snapchat story. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Snapchat on your mobile device. Now click a snap for your story by tapping on the big white button at the middle of your screen. Select the clipboard icon at the right of your screen. Now go ahead and type in the link that you want to upload. Now tap on Attach to Snap. Now you can tap on the Stories icon at the bottom of your screen. And this is how you upload link on your Snapchat stories. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.